Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Face ID is a convenient and secure way to unlock your iPhone and authenticate various actions. If your Face ID isn't working, it can be very frustrating. Here is a detailed guide to help you troubleshoot and fix Face ID issues on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to ensure that your Face ID is enabled. Go to the Setting app, then you go to Face ID and passcode. Make sure that your Face ID is set up and the features you want to use Face ID for are turned on. Next, clean the True Depth camera. Use a clean soft cloth to wipe the front camera and ensure there is no dirt obstructing the view. You should also check for camera obstructions. Ensure that nothing is blocking the camera, such as phone case or screen protector. You should also ensure proper lighting and position. Face ID works best when the iPhone is about 10 to 20 inches from your face and in proper lighting condition. Another step is to restart your phone. Restart your iPhone to resolve any temporary glitches. Hold down the power button and either side button until you see the slider, then slide to power off. Turn the iPhone back on by holding the power button. Next, head over to the Setting app, then Face ID and passcode. Tap on Reset Face ID and then set up Face ID again. Check for iOS updates. Go to the Setting app, then General and Software Update. Ensure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Next step is to reset all settings. Go to the Setting app, then General, and click on Reset. Tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system settings, which might resolve the issue. You should also check for physical damage. Inspect your iPhone for any sign of damage, especially around the front camera area. Physical damage can affect Face ID functionality. Face ID is a sophisticated feature, and while it generally works seamlessly, it can occasionally encounter issues. By following these simple troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve the issue. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.